Look how I go today. I just sketch up my hair. Don't really want to use any gel in my hair. Find out that my hair is picking off. My hair is taller than this. I don't know what to do with it. So if anyone knows anything like natural to grow my hair, please let me know. I'm sitting at the train station waiting on the train to come in 3 minutes. Is 1:14 at the moment. Yeah, so I'm waiting on the train to arrive. Yeah. Will arrive in 2 minutes. 2 minutes now. This one, alright, the next one to Cockfosters is in 4 minutes. I could take the one to Cockfosters as well and come off after Honors Grove, and I have like two options to go home on the bus. Even way I can come off of Honors Grove, and I have two options to be home within, well, one of the bus, that one drive on my road, so it will be like how much minutes I would say it would be a 5 minutes, but going on the next bus would be like a 10 minutes ride, because it's go around and it's 1 minute for the Honors Grove one. So I'm going to jump on the Honors Grove train. I'm hungry now. I haven't eaten from morning because I have to go and sort out my details. Train will be arriving soon. I'm feeling so depressed at the moment. Feel like I could do with a holiday at the moment. Yeah, could do with a holiday, but I have some things to sort it out. I think I'm just going to get on with it, concentrate on what I'm going to sort out, get busy. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get busy. So the train soon come. See how many train pop up around there. Oh, wow. 6. There's someone in the train over that side. Cockfosters. Okay. £4 for my pass. So best this is my boss. It is.